Question 6. A shop advertises buy one, get one at half price. For this offer, the average cost per item is the same as, and what I'm going to do with these is actually work through each of them to show what the average cost is relative to this. We're not given the amount, but we can find the amount relative to each other. So this is 3/4 the price of one full price item. And that's what we're looking at. We're going to compare it to the full price, but actually what we're going to do is compare that average. Two for the price of one. Three things for the price of one thing. And we can see here that this 3/4 is the same as this 3/4. Let's just finish it off. 4/5. So this and this are the same, and therefore the answer is D.